welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for subscribing, for liking, and for sharing. We're gonna take you back to our Ghana trip and our visit to Safari Valley Eco Park Resort. Stay tuned. This wrecked helicopter is hands down the most outstanding and memorable feature of the garden. It's said to have been the transport helicopter used for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, who was the first president of independent Ghana. The helicopter is the perfect backdrop for all your Abri Gardens photos. Anyway, it was just a quick stop and we need to get back on the road to get to Safari Valley in time.
We are on our way to Safari Valley, man.
So guys, this is a booklet we got from the Safari Valley Eco Park, and it's called Eco Park because everything on the property is eco-friendly, and that's one of the most unique features of this place. So I'm just going to show you here before we take you into the actual video. Okay, so you have a quick preview of what's coming up. So yeah, these are the animals that they have in the different camps, and I know this video is kind of like an unboxing. I'm unboxing Safari Valley Eco Park. Anyway, so we'll take you in because we didn't have much footage of the actual animals there. So if you visit, you'll get to see them on your own. We weren't particular on seeing the animals because we stay in Zimbabwe, and of course the wildlife in Southern Africa is much more imposing. So we've seen all those animals, and you can check out the video when my parents came to Zimbabwe. You can see more of the animals. We have this side. But we really appreciated the Safari Valley Eco Park because of the concept of humans getting along just fine in the same environment with all the natural species and not interrupting anything, but still being able to live in an eco-friendly way. So yeah, let's get right into it and you'll get to see what the place is like. This is the lobby, and you pay your entrance fee here. And interestingly, from the outside, the lobby is designed in the shape of an overturned leaf. The entire property is designed in such a way as to give honor to nature in its architecture, in the way it operates, in the vehicles it uses. I mean, if you're an environmental enthusiast, this is a must-see for you in Ghana. So as we drive around, you're gonna see these other carts that drive past at intervals. They're all powered by green energy, meaning they have zero carbon footprint.
We do Petan, we do Jenga, we do traditional games like Owari and Dami as well. We have a gym where you can work out. This also houses the only public pool where people can come and day business and enjoy fitness and lot of maybe relaxing life in the pool. So we tried our best to indulge the neighboring communities into our project through 3 different ways. One is to name our units after the neighboring town. So we have a green gymnasium, we have a massive conference center, we have this, we have that.
It's a chapel.
Yes. The second thing is trying our best to employ a larger number of the working people that are living around the resort, so up to 40%.
Here's another unique architectural design. This is a conference center on the property, and it's designed in the likeness of talking drums.
So on the top you can see the drums up there signifying communications. Even in our modern days, when we have events or ceremonies that are attended by high chiefs, we still have people playing the drums, tuning into their conversation.
So here's the cool thing about Safari Valley Eco Park. It's actually a resort property. This means you're not limited to being a day visitor. You can actually check in like a hotel. But it's actually better than a typical hotel because these are luxury cabins. As you can see in the video, each cabin has its own yard space. It has its own pool. It has its own 24-hour on-call butler and an amazing outdoor shower. The cabin options include single cabin, 2 bedrooms, 3-bedroom home, family unit, but they all have those amenities. Oh, and one more important feature that I forgot to mention that's so important to some of you, Wi-Fi. So there is Wi-Fi, 24-hour access to Wi-Fi, so you don't have to be worried about being stranded or being out in nature without any way to contact your family.
These linens or covering for the bed are made brought from a different part of Africa. We call them bogolons.
So another cool thing, Safari Valley Eco Park Resort prides itself in recycling and in eco-friendly practices. So all the furniture you see here was made by wood taken from the property. The lamp was made from recycled metal. Here we're heading to the restaurant. They have indoor dining as well as outdoor dining, but of course we chose outdoor because it's, more serene, more scenic. The natural beauty here is just breathtaking. So we sat down to a buffet lunch with a variety of Ghanaian food. It was lovely. And what was even more lovely is being able to do this in the beauty of nature. So Safari Valley boasts a number of recreational activities, especially ones that are family friendly, including bowling.
Okay. All right. Perfect. All right.
Go ahead. If you watched our first video, you already know what happens next. Wow, you just got lucky. Our time at Safari Valley Eco Park has come to an end. We hope you guys learned a thing or two, and if you decide to visit Ghana, we hope you've been convinced to try out Safari Valley Eco Park.